Hey, what's going on, weavers? We are back at it again, and I've got a quick and dirty old school tutorial for you. Here's how you can tie a coreless micro monkey's fist on a single continuous strand of paracord. It's going to start out with a double overhand knot, 2 wraps around the index finger so that they cross over and make an X. Then pass the running end through the 2 loops from the left to the right. Cinch it up and we have our double overhand knot. From here, I'm going to place the knot in between my index and middle finger. And now look closely here. I'm going to make 1.5 wraps vertically. This is a 2-pass monkey's fist. And don't worry, this will all somehow magically work out. Trust me, I am a paracord scientist. Then pivot 90 degrees and make 2 passes horizontally around the core knot. And after that, I'm going to remove my fingers from the piece. And then with the running end, I'm going to make our final set of passes going through the spaces above and below the core knot. With that done, all that's left to do is work the slack out of the monkey's fist. I'm going to start with the first set of vertical passes. There is a definite starting point to work the slack out as the slack starts leading out from the core knot. Now the reason I'm making this tutorial is because I have a use for it. I'm not going to tell you exactly what, but there are rocks involved and it rhymes with swing. Anyhow, you'll most likely need a second round of tightening to get all the slack out and fully firm up the monkey's fist. The micro monkey's fist makes for a great and fun stopper knot, as well as a decorative knot, but again, I do have a purpose for this one, and I just wanted to make a standalone video for it, so I hope you enjoyed.